Let me ask you this. Why do you think most marriages lose passion over time, yet the top 1% of men keep it alive? They all have these same habits in common. I'm Natalie. I help high-achieving married men create marriages full of connection, passion, and respect. And I've seen how passion isn't lost. It's neglected. Here are the top habits that keep passion alive for decades. I'm not even kidding. Point number 1, they take care of themselves. Most men want passion from their wife while letting themselves go, but attraction is reciprocal. The 1% know that when they stay sharp, mentally, physically, and spiritually, it keeps the energy alive. She's drawn to the man who values himself. Self-care isn't vanity. It's respected. It's respect for yourself and respect for her. Number 2, they keep pursuing. The average man stops pursuing once he has her. The elite never stop. They keep flirting, surprising, and dating their wives. They protect pursuit as if it's oxygen for the relationship, because it is. Pursuit tells her, you're still my choice every day. Action over words, but do include words. And let me tell you, if you're ready and are serious to reignite passion again in your marriage, download the free Marriage ROI Toolkit. It has 5 tools to reconnect and rebuild spark again. Link is below. Point number 3, they protect playfulness. Passion dies when marriage feels like a business contract. The 1% know playfulness keeps things light, magnetic, and fun. It's okay to be silly without being judged by your very own partner. It's okay to be just free and not have a care in the world sometimes. Not everything has to be serious. Marriage does require fun. It's part of one of the factors to keep it alive. Play is not immaturity. It is intimacy. It is connection. Point number 4, they stay curious. Just like when you were a toddler, you were always curious about the world, looking around, touching things. What happened to that curiosity in the marriage? Is the exact same principle. Curiosity, it's needed to keep a marriage alive. The 1% never assume. They keep asking questions, keep discovering new sides of her, because there are new sides of her. Curiosity keeps connection alive. It prevents the slow drift into roommate mode. When you stay curious, she feels chosen again, not just, tolerated. Point number 5, they grow together. Not just one person is growing, both of you guys are staying green together. Here's the truth. Passion dies when no one grows and the other one stands still. The 1% set shared goals, pursue new experiences, and evolve together. Growth creates new energy. New energy creates new passion. It's not about staying the same. It's about staying aligned as you both change. Listen to me. Passion is never automatic. It is pursued. It is what you do every day in your marriage, just like what you do every day in your business. It is protected. It is practiced every day. If you want that passion and keeping your marriage alive, I suggest grabbing the free Marriage ROI Toolkit below. It has 5 tools to help you rebuild that connection, intimacy, and passion in your marriage. Link is in the description or in the pinned comment below. Grab it now. Let me know your results from it.